Alright guys, Big Truck TV here. Before this video starts, make sure you like and subscribe. This is the rusted area that we're going to be cleaning, and I have all the links in the description for all the tools I use, so make sure you guys check that out. Alright guys, Big Truck TV here. Right here I'm going to teach you guys how to clean up rust like this. So let's sand it and let's start. So last time, you guys remember in our last video we used spray foam. This time here we're going to be using this stuff right here and see what side comes out better. Alright, so that looks good. I'm going to go get the Bondo and I'll put you guys on the timer. Alright, so this is what we got so far. I'm going to add a little bit more Bondo because you can see there's a lip right here. So I'll build up some more Bondo over here and then keep sanding. Alright, so we got another layer of Bondo one. You can see it's a lot smoother than the other one. Alright, so we have the primer on. I'm going to let that dry and get the paint. Alright, so we got the paint on. Now we just got to wait for it to dry. So this right here is the results. It's not the best, but it's going to be hidden by the door most of the time anyway, so I just wanted to make it look a little better. But yeah, it looks pretty good. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out. I did the other side. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time.